learning how to use a spinning reel, sometimes that can be a challenge. But there's a simple way to use these. Instead of fishing and having your line several feet, typically if you get your line about 2 to 3 feet here, what I like to do is I like to take my 2 fingers and go this way. You see the bail? Release the bail. When I release the bail, this is a overhead. And if you don't let loose when you throw, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to do just exactly what just happened. So notice here, when I go to release, I've got 1 finger. This is an overhead. Once it hits the water, I click the bail and I set it and I reel it on in. Oh my goodness. Look what happened. As soon as I was reeling this in, there's a bass. Interesting, isn't it? Come here, baby. Let's get you back in the water. Wow, as I was reeling in, this is what happened. Alright. So, once again, we just want to make sure that we always release the bail, have that 1 finger here, or however you want to do it. Here's the bail, it's closed, finger opened. Let's get it back. Finger open and cast. Overhead. Once it hits the water, click your bail back to set your bail, and you can start reeling back in. So if this tip helped, please hit a thumbs up and look forward to my next one.